What's up, guys? Just checked the mail today and I got 2 Whitestone domes courtesy of Whitestone. So why don't you follow me in my office and I'm going to show you guys how to put these on, set them up, what comes in the box, and I'm going to tell you why I'm excited for these guys. So let's go.
Yo, you got the juice now, man.
What's up, guys? Greg from Pizzles Tech Time, back with another video. And today, I just got the Whitestone Dome, as you know, and we're going to be putting it on the Galaxy S9 Plus. So we're going to go on my desk here. I've cleared off my keyboard, I've cleared off everything, and we're going to move the camera close so you guys can get a good view. And I'm going to tell you about the Whitestone Dome, and we're going to talk about it a little bit. They've made various changes to it from the last time that I've had my hands on it, and I think it's wonderful. They now have a warranty. They now give you 2 containers of glue. This product stands leagues above any other screen protector out there right now, especially for a curved screen smartphone. So instead of talking about it, we're gonna just jump in and I'm gonna show you what's in the box, and I'm gonna talk about what makes this a great screen protector for your device. Okay guys, let's go. What's up, guys? I'm here in front of the Whitestone Dome and the Galaxy S9 Plus. Beautiful phone right here, and I'm excited to put the Whitestone Dome on it right here. And as you can see, the phone has no screen protector on it right now, and I'm excited to get this bad boy on there. Now, the Whitestone Dome is 100% edge-to-edge coverage, and it uses a full cover, full clear technology, Loka technology, and gives you 100% touch sensitivity, and it does not leave a dot matrix like most of these other screen protectors do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the box, show you what's inside. We're going to go through all the accessories, and I'm going to show you guys how to put it on, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay guys. So once you open up the box here, you're going to see this plastic clamshell. Just pop this bad boy open. You don't need the top part right there. You can toss it to the side. And this is your UV light. It opens up from the bottom, and those are the legs. Really cool design. Love that little guy right there. Then you have your instruction booklet. If you open it up, it lists all the accessories. And then you have a QR code. That QR code, that's an installation video. I've also included Gravix's video. I think his was excellent. Now, inside the bag, you have all your other accessories. So I'm going to open up that bag, and you'll see inside of it, you're going to have all the other accessories. So you're going to have all the rest of the goodies. You're going to have your alcohol wipes. They say Yidu Swab Plus. It's basically just 70% isopropyl alcohol. You've got your microfiber cloths. They're very generous with those. They give you 3 of them. Then you've got your dust removing stickers. Your pin. You pull that out and the glass falls down. Got your absorption pads. Those soak up any extra glue. Okay. You've got your masking tape. Those protect your speaker from getting any glue on the inside. And you want to position that right on top of the speaker. You don't want to go too far down, otherwise it'll get in the way of the glass. Then you've got your top tray. And you've got your bottom tray. And the star of the show, the Whitestone Dome. Then you've got 1 glue and 2 glue. Whitestone was kind enough to give you 2 glues in case you mess up on the first one. Then you've got your bridge right there that goes right into the first and second tray. Very easy to install. And then you've got your USB cable, your instruction booklet, your absorption pads, your alcohol pads, your microfiber cloths, dust stickers, your pin, your speaker cover, your Whitestone dome, top tray, bridge, glue sticks and bottom tray, and your phone. And that's about all the accessories that you need. If you're missing anything, make sure you have everything. Then you want to make sure that your area is level. I like to turn it sideways, and then I also like to check inside the tray and make sure it's level inside the tray. You don't have to do that, but I like to. Just to double check. Why not? I'd rather be safe than sorry. Okay, so now that we've done that, I'm gonna clean off my phone with the isopropyl alcohol pads. And you wanna give your phone a good cleaning. Nice wipe down. Wipe me down. You know what I'm saying, guys? Wipe me down. Then you wanna give the microfiber cloth a good wipe down of your phone. Continue the wipe down process. You can wipe down the sides and the back while you're at it. Why not? This is a very important part of the process. You don't want to leave your phone with any dirt or fingerprints on there. Then when you place it in the tray, you want to make sure it's nice and flat inside that tray. That's very important. And you want to be very diligent with these dust stickers. You don't want to miss any dust. And if you do, you can always go back later in the process, as you should. There's always going to be some dust floating around in the air. I've heard people say that you can use a steamer from an iron. That's a little overboard, but if it works, it works. That's totally up to you if you would like to do that. Then you're going to take your top tray, slide that on there. It clicks in, 4 little nubs. Now I actually forgot my speaker grill, so I'm going to have to go back and place that on there. The colored cap comes off first on the glue. Make sure you take off the colored cap first, and it just places right in that bridge. You want to give it about 30 seconds for the glue to come out. And as you're giving it 30 seconds, if you see any more dust, you can always go back and get the dust. At this point, if you do see any dust, you can always go back and get it. But once you put the glass down, you're already past the point of no return. So you want to be diligent with those dust stickers at this point. So once you've given it the full 30 seconds, you're pretty much good to go. I've got one last little drop of glue in this thing, so I actually am gonna sit there shaking it for a little while. Come on, give me that last drop. I want that last drop of glue, and this thing's holding back. Come on. Give me it. Alright. I got it, believe me, I got that last drop. Alright, now we're ready for the dome glass. There's really no way you can mess this up. It just slides right in there, and it plops right on the pin. Whitestone has made it really so easy to place it in this top tray. It really couldn't get any easier. So now you want to tilt this down, and as soon as it gets to the middle right there, you want to pull that pin. As soon as it gets to the middle. So you tilt it down, And once you see that bubble hit the middle, you can pull the pin. So, right now. And gravity's gonna pretty much work its magic here. And I've sped up the video a little bit so we wouldn't have to sit here forever. But you can see the glue is settling, and you can tilt it down a little bit, speed up the process. And hopefully the glue will settle down to the rest of the phone and you will have a perfect installation like I had. If you follow these steps, you should indeed have a perfect installation. So now comes the curing process. I take the top tray off and I do 15 seconds on the top, 15 seconds on the middle, and 15 seconds on the bottom. And then I take the phone out of the tray and I do 30 seconds on the top and 30 seconds on the bottom, and you can do 30 seconds on the middle as well. And then you're gonna wanna clean the phone with the alcohol pad and the microfiber cloth to get any excess glue out. And then you'll be all done. And you'll have a perfect installation and your phone will be looking better than it did before you started. My phone certainly did. I was very happy with the way that my phone came out. As you can see right here, I haven't even cleaned my phone yet and it already looks brand new. Shiny and beautiful. Look at that thing. Woo-wee! I loved it. Oh man, that thing looks beautiful. Ah, wow. Thing looks nice. That's my fiance's phone, and I put it on my phone as well. Whitestone was courteous enough to send me 2 of them. Thank you so much, Whitestone, for making this video possible. I really appreciate it. Alright guys, that's a look at the Whitestone Dome and how to install it. Thanks to Whitestone for sending it out to me. Without them, I wouldn't have been able to make this video. So thanks a lot, guys. If you're interested in purchasing it, I'm going to have a link in the description for you guys for the S9 and the S9 Plus. I think it's a great product, and I think Whitestone has taken steps to improving it greatly. I love the fact that they're including 2 adhesive tubes in the product now. Also, the warranty is awesome. I love that. I love the fact that there's a warranty for this product if you're not happy with it, or if it breaks for any reason, there's a warranty. That's really awesome. And I'm loving the way the product looks. It almost makes your phone feel and look better. So, shout out to Whitestone. Thanks a lot, guys, for making this video possible by sending me out a product to take a look at. I really appreciate that, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember, you can follow me at social media at Pizzles Tech Time. And remember, I'm always here for you guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, because I'm always here for you guys. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.